Problem solving assistance. Welcome to AXU.ComOfficial. Problem solving. What issue or challenge would you like assistance with? Problem solving skills. Certainly, problem solving is an essential skill. Here are some key steps to improve your problem solving skills. Define the problem. Clearly state the issue you're facing. Understand its scope and impact. Gather information. Collect relevant data and information related to the problem. Generate solutions. Brainstorm potential solutions without judgment. Be creative. Evaluate solutions. Assess the pros and cons of each solution. Consider feasibility and consequences. Choose the best solution. Select the solution that seems most suitable. Plan and take action. Develop a detailed plan for implementing the chosen solution. Monitor progress. Keep track of the solution's effectiveness and make adjustments if needed. Learn from the process. Reflect on the problem-solving process and use it to improve future decision-making. Seek feedback. Don't hesitate to involve others and gather their input on the problem and your chosen solution. This can provide valuable perspectives and improve your decision. Adaptability. Be open to adjusting your plan or solution as new information or challenges arise. Flexibility is key to successful problem solving. Persistence. Some problems may take time to solve. Maintain your determination and perseverance even when facing setbacks. Stay organized. Keep your problem-solving process structured and well documented. This can help in tracking progress and making improvements. Use critical thinking. Analyze the problem from various angles and consider alternative viewpoints. This can lead to more comprehensive solutions. Practice, practice, practice. The more you engage in problem solving, the better you become at it. Continuously hone your skills by tackling different types of issues. Embrace creativity. Sometimes, unconventional solutions can be the most effective. Don't be afraid to think outside the box. Collaboration. Don't hesitate to involve others in the problem-solving process. Teamwork and diverse perspectives can lead to more innovative solutions. Time management. Allocate your time wisely to each step of the problem-solving process. Prioritize critical tasks and avoid unnecessary delays. Analytical tools. Learn to use various analytical techniques and tools that can aid in problem solving, such as SWOT analysis, root cause analysis, or decision matrices. Risk assessment. Consider potential risks and uncertainties associated with each solution and develop contingency plans. Mindfulness. Stay present and focused during the problem solving process. Avoid distractions and practice mindfulness techniques to think more clearly. Maintain a positive mindset. A positive attitude can help you approach problems with confidence and resilience. Document your solutions. Keep a record of the problems you've solved and the solutions you've applied. This can serve as a valuable resource for future reference. Learn from failures. Don't be discouraged by unsuccessful attempts. Instead, view them as opportunities to learn and improve your problem-solving skills. Seek mentorship. If possible, find a mentor or seek advice from individuals experienced in problem-solving. They can offer guidance and valuable insights. Continuous improvement. Regularly review your problem-solving processes and seek ways to make them more efficient and effective. Empathy. When addressing interpersonal or team-related problems, practice empathy to understand others' perspectives and feelings. This can lead to more considerate and effective solutions. Break problems into smaller parts. For complex problems, break them down into smaller, more manageable components. This can make the issue less overwhelming and help you focus on solving one piece at a time. Benchmarking. Research and study how others have solved similar problems in the past. Learning from historical solutions can provide valuable insights. Decision-making frameworks. Familiarize yourself with decision-making frameworks like the Eisenhower matrix, or the 2x2 decision matrix to prioritize tasks and decisions efficiently. Divergent and convergent thinking. Use both divergent thinking, generating multiple solutions, and convergent thinking, narrowing down to the best solution, to arrive at well-informed decisions. Root cause analysis. When addressing recurring problems, consider performing a root cause analysis to identify and eliminate the underlying issues. Ethical considerations. Always think about the ethical implications of your solutions. Ensure that your decisions align with your values and principles. Systems thinking. Recognize that many problems are interconnected and part of larger systems. Understand how your solutions may impact the broader context. Maintain a growth mindset. Embrace challenges as opportunities to learn and grow. A growth mindset encourages resilience and adaptability in problem solving. Celebrate successes. Acknowledge and celebrate your problem-solving achievements, both big and small. This can boost your motivation and confidence. Simulate scenarios. In complex problem solving, consider running simulations or thought experiments to test potential solutions and their outcomes before implementation. Feedback loops. Establish feedback mechanisms to continuously assess the effectiveness of your solutions and make real-time adjustments as needed. Stay organized. Use tools like to-do lists, project management software, or mind mapping to keep your thoughts and actions structured during the problem-solving process. Emotional intelligence. Recognize and manage your emotions during problem solving. And be aware of how they may influence your decisions and interactions with others. Peer review. Seek input from peers or colleagues to gain fresh perspectives and identify potential blind spots in your problem-solving approach. Reverse engineering. Sometimes, solving a problem involves working backward from the desired outcome to identify the necessary steps or components. Experimentation. Don't be afraid to experiment with different solutions, especially in situations where the outcome is uncertain. Controlled experiments can provide valuable insights. Data-driven decision-making. Utilize data and analytics to inform your decisions. Data can provide valuable evidence for choosing the best solution. Prioritize self-care, ensuring you are well rested, physically and mentally healthy, and managing stress will enable better decision-making and problem-solving. Continuous learning. Stay open to new knowledge and skills. Problem-solving evolves, and learning new techniques and approaches can enhance your abilities. Patience. Some problems may require time and persistence. Patience is essential for thorough problem-solving. Remember that problem-solving is not a linear process, and different situations may require different approaches. Developing your problem-solving skills is an ongoing journey, and you can continually refine and adapt your methods as you gain experience. If you have a specific problem or need further advice on any aspect of problem-solving, feel free to share the details, and I'll provide guidance based on your unique situation.